Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Southern sweet tea. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 6 Lipton tea bags, and we're also going to need 8 cups of water. You want to separate 3 cups and add 5 cups to a pitcher. In a pot, I'm going to add 3 cups of water and let it come to a boil. Once your water starts to boil, you want to go ahead and add in your sugar. Turn off your heat. And we're just going to let that dissolve. Now we're going to add in our baking soda. Next, add in your tea bags, and we're going to let them steep for 15 minutes. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, remove your tea bags, and we're just going to pour it into our pitcher. Now guys, all you want to do is mix it well. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Southern sweet tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.